So you know I'm a big fan of creating history where I can, guys, and I want you to always be a part of it. So you do not want to miss this opportunity. So make sure you stick around after these messages, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Around here for a very long time, so that's positive. Here we go. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushi, yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. So people, no tutorial today. Right behind me at the HQ at the moment, we're doing a massive cleanup project, and even I couldn't film a tutorial in front of this mess. Like, I'm not going to do it. I'm going to make sure I get it all clean by the next tutorial, hopefully. But guys, I just want to use this video, hopefully if you're watching, I want you to get involved in something epic. Now, we've made a habit here at RA of creating the most incredible world challenges. Off the top of my head, I think we've done already about 4 to 5, and every single one of them has been absolutely epic, and so many people have got involved from every single corner of the earth. And with what's going on in the world right now, I feel like the world needs a pick up, our community needs a little pick up, and I just wanted to grow it even more, right? A lot of us are at home, we're training, we're skipping, and this is a perfect time, it's a perfect opportunity just to grow this movement and spread the amazing and cool vibes that is this bad boy. So what we're going to do, right, is we're going to replicate a challenge that I did literally 2 years ago to the day. It was a kind of pass the rope challenge that went around the world. Very simple to execute this, guys, and you don't need anything particular, anything kind of special going on. You just need someone to help you. You just need one friend at least. What I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take you through again how to do this challenge. Those of you who remember it kind of from 2-3 years ago will just know how this works very easily, but those who have just come on board right now, what I want you to do, right, with everyone at home, everyone, like most of us now in quarantine, we're going to be skipping at home, right? And what I want to do is I want to show the power of this thing, and show that you can stay fit and healthy from the comfort of your own home, outside in your garden, in front of your house, on the street, wherever it is, you're still safe and you're getting in your workouts. So what I want you to do, right, peeps, is I want you to set up the camera somewhere cool in your house or outside, just in front of you. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that the camera is landscape, okay? This is very, very important. Landscape, portrait. You're going to keep your phone, if you're recording on your phone, in landscape mode like this, right? You're going to set it down somewhere in front of you, maybe on a tripod if you have, or even if you have a friend that can hold the camera. That's going to be the first part, okay? That's the main thing. Make sure as well that the quality is good, it's clear, right? It's not fuzzy, it's not dark, it's not grainy, whatever it is. You've got good light and we can see you, okay? That's the main thing. You're gonna obviously have your skipping rope ready to go, but this is the key thing, right? What's gonna happen, peeps, is you're gonna have someone to the right hand side of you. So the way you're looking at me right now, it's the opposite, right? So to your right shoulder, okay, to your right shoulder, you're gonna have a friend just standing here, right, off camera. So off camera, they're going to be standing there to your right shoulder, and all they're going to do, peeps, is they're going to have your rope in their hand, right, and they're going to chuck you the rope. It's going to come from your right hand side, okay, from your right shoulder. Remember, what you're going to do is you're going to receive the rope, you're going to catch it, right? Even if you fumble it, it's fine, we can put in some bloopers. That's the beauty of this challenge. You're going to get it, you're going to catch it, right? Try and catch it, whatever happens. You're going to get it untangled, fix it up, do what you do, and then you're gonna go kind of crazy with the rope. You're gonna show me your skills, you're gonna just do some cool things, right? And just remember, I'm gonna be trying to piece together everyone's best bit. So put together a quick routine, little crossover here, little double under, a little behind the back, wherever it may be, right? Even if you're a beginner, just nice cool steps, everything you've learned from this channel, hopefully. And then as soon as you finish up your little routine, which is going to hopefully last about 15 seconds max, 15 to 20 seconds max, all right? What you're going to do is then you're going to get your rope in your hand and you're going to throw it to your left, all right? Right that way, boom, to your left, okay? So you receive it from your right, skip, 15 to 20 seconds, chuck it to your left, all right? And when you chuck it, you need to chuck it out of the screen. You can't have the rope kind of just falling here where you can see it. It's got to go right out the screen. Now usually these challenges happen kind of outdoors. I always tell you guys to show me some cool part of your country or city, as with the previous challenges, but of course we're gonna be inside or outside the house or in the garden, all that kind of stuff. This challenge is gonna be hashtag FLYATHOMECHALLENGE, all right? FLYATHOMECHALLENGE. So you don't need to go too crazy. Don't go in the city. I know it's all quiet out there and it's gonna be really epic to get some good cool videos, but the purpose of this challenge is to make sure that everyone is skipping from the inside of their home or just close to their home or just on the street. It has to have that feeling that we are in quarantine. Unfortunately, the main thing is that we're promoting this simple piece of plastic, right? Remember that, guys. We're just promoting it out there to the world, to those who are at home wondering how they're going to keep in shape or how they're going to lose weight or how they're going to keep healthy and all that kind of stuff. We're doing it all for them, right? So just do what you can, show me your cool skills, and let me work the magic after that, right? So here are the kind of small, kind of boring details, the admin behind it, okay? What you're gonna do is when you're recording your videos, guys, you're gonna send them to this email address, right? It's my personal email address. And in the subject title, this is really key, right? I want you to put Fly at Home Challenge, okay? In the subject title. That's gonna help me see your video and it's gonna help me kind of organize stuff in folders and all that kind of stuff. Remember, the video doesn't need to be too big, so you don't need to send me links. If I get too many links, Google Drive links, all this kind of stuff, I'm not gonna be able to see it. 20 seconds max. And then just shoot it across and then I'll just make sure I have it saved down somewhere else, right? If you're doing this via Instagram, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hashtag again, Fly at Home Challenge. That's the hashtag title. You're gonna tag myself and also my business profile page as well, rush.athletics. That way, again, I'll save them down and make sure I don't miss you. I wanna try and get as many people involved as possible. So try and get your friends, your family, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, your loved ones, get them all involved. If you're filming all together in one day, just get them to do the same thing, all right? You can just choose different areas in your house. That would be absolutely epic. The main thing, like I said, have fun with it, show me your skills, and let me work the magic, man. It's gonna be absolutely epic. So I'm gonna get the deadline right now on the video, guys. This is the deadline you need to basically send all your videos in by. Remember, you can send multiple videos of your friends and family, whatever it is. Just make sure they can fit on one email at least, or send it on separate emails. But that's the deadline, okay? I gotta be really strict with the deadline because after that, I've got probably another 10 hours of editing to do for this video. Whew, a lot of talking in this video, man. I'm gonna make sure I get you some fresh tutorials very soon, guys. Probably on Friday. Otherwise, let me know again down below how you're keeping. I love to check in with you. Please, please, please just get as many of your peeps involved. That is the main thing, right? We're gonna try and spread this shit and make it go, can't say viral, but you know what I mean, right? Viral is not a very good word to use right now, but yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, guys, stay positive, keep smiling. We will get through this together, I promise you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.